Hi Leo and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of October is going to be for you, your love, relationship, health, wealth, your money, your career, your business, your soul path, chakra of the month, mental exercise of the month, number of the month, color of the month, what is one thing that you need to take care of for the whole month, and what will happen if you follow the advices. So a lot to be done and discussed. So this month is a month which is going to give you new opportunities. It is going to give you new beginnings, and it is going to give you a lot of authority. It is going to help you break the cycles, go towards growth, get the result of your patience, and at the same time there is some development that has been happening behind the scenes which you were not aware of, and this month will bring that development into the reality, and that is when you will know that things have been changing, things have changed, and you will see that growth happening. At the same time you will see you taking control of your life, you taking charge of your life, and you moving ahead with much more balance in your life. And the only thing that and family wise also this is a good month, because I see growth, I see money, I see balance, I see people coming together. But the one thing that you need to take care of for this month is, one, do not fall for people who are very nice and sweet and powerful on the face of it, but they are not really like that actually. Or do not fall for people who are very negative or very strongly negative or giving you negativity, or stay away from your own negativity. This could be you when you are nurturing, very nice, very passionate, but when you are negative, you are very negative. So stay away from negativity this month, and rather I would just tell you that stay away from your emotions or your intuition, because a lot of people think that their emotion is their intuition. There is a difference. I will make a video on that very soon, but stay away from that for this month and focus more on practicality and taking your life forward. If you do that, you're going to break the cycles, you're going to see a lot of leisure, a lot of growth, a lot of beautiful things in your life. So let's just begin with your health. From your health perspective, I don't see any problems with your health. If there is anything with your stomach, with your food, any stomach issue that comes up, please get it addressed, and if you have the medicine, it's going to be fine. Other than that, I don't see any problem with your health. For your emotional health, be in control of your mind, negative balance, negative and positives. Don't be over emotional. That's the only thing that I would tell you. Otherwise, there is nothing to be worried about health. From the perspective of your wealth, money, there's nothing to be worried again, because there's a card of growth. There's 10 of Pentacles. There's a possibility of you getting some money from inheritance. There is a possibility that if you put in your money somewhere, you were waiting for it to grow or give you something positive, some good results that's coming your way. So you're going to get something positive or some positive result. So patience are going to pay you off. And overall, because there is Sun card in the beginning, there is power, there is Empress, so there is growth. There are two queens. I don't see anything to be worried about from your wealth perspective. If you talk about from your love and relationships, I would tell you this is the month to balance yourself. This is the month where you stay away from negativity. This is the month where you get the power of your life into your own hands. And this is the month where you focus on what you have and what are the possibilities. So what are the opportunities, what are the possibilities, rather than only focusing on what you have. If you're looking forward for a relationship, that the person might come into your life, and rather more than one, but you'll have to ensure that you go for the person who's more straightforward, who comes across as very practical, rather than the one who comes across as very nice, sweet, nurturing, but at the same time is very negative. And that's why I'll tell you to have patience and not take decisions very fast. If you have to take decision with regards to your relationship, whether it is marriage, whether it is getting into a relationship, take the decision post first week. So after 7 days of the month, you'll probably be able to realize who is the person who is actually good for you and who's the person who's actually not good for you. If you are planning for a baby, a good month, the pregnancy will happen, and you just need to have patience, be positive, and there's nothing that you should be worried about as such. The messages from your loved ones also will come your way, so but the good messages, there is nothing bad in it, because the month is quite positive for you. Rather, it is going to break some emotional cycles of yours. If you talk about your job or career, there is an opportunity that has been there on the horizon, you've not been looking at it, and this month that opportunity is going to shine very brightly, and you'll take a look at it. So this could be a new opportunity that you change your job, or you pick up, or this could be be that you've been waiting patiently for growth and finally that growth comes to you, or it could be that you've been patiently waiting to have a job because you have one, and that job is coming to you. So I see a positive message coming, and there is a possibility that you're not connecting the right person for your job, and that's why it didn't happen for now, because that's why it didn't happen until now, because you were actually focusing on the wrong person. And there could be this one person who you thought was very rude, who you thought was not really somebody who would help you, or who you thought that it's not even worth contacting. That's the person who will help you with your job, so contact that person. Don't think that all the sweet people you've contacted are actually doing anything great for you. And you should have a job. Patients are going to pay you off. First 7 days is kind of important, but first 7 days the things will start working out for you, because I see growth. If we talk about your soul path, this is the month where cycles are going to break. So if there has been a pattern that has been happening in your life, if you focus on this new opportunity, if you focus on this new person, if you focus on this new change that is coming into your life, if you take control of your life, take charge of your life, be strong mentally, emotionally, listen to the messages, listen to the things that are coming your way, be with your family, and stay away from negativity, whether it is your own or somebody else's. You're going to break the cycles and get into your authority, and that's going to be a big growth as from the soul perspective, because you're going to break a cycle, break a pattern altogether. Your chakra of the month is going to be solar plexus chakra. Now solar plexus chakra is located here and 3 fingers above the navel, and the mantra for solar plexus is Ram. So you can just chant Ram. But there are a lot of videos on YouTube, you can find them, and just keep that chakra balance. It is very important, because that's the chakra of your willpower, and willpower is going to be very important this month for you, for seeing the growth that I kind of see on your cards. For your mental exercise of the month, very beautiful card. It's a card of celebration. Celebration means being together, being with the family, being with people, and that's why people are very important. Being with right people is also very important for you. So this month, just affirm that I allow myself, or I know that there is a lot of happiness in my life. All good people are in my life, or whoever I deserve or brings happiness to me is part of my life, and I am happy being with my loved ones, and I'm being loved, and I have the ability to love myself and others, and I celebrate my life. So just keep that affirmation on. That's going to help you big way. The number of the month is number 7 this month. Color of the month yellow. Any shade of brown, silver, golden is going to be good for you. If you like the videos, please press the like button, share the video, subscribe the channel, it helps. One thing that you need to take care of for the whole month is Ace of Wands. So Ace of Wands is work towards your passion, work towards opportunity. Keep your eye on the opportunity, keep your eye on what is working out, what is good, what is great. Don't focus on what is not working out, don't focus on what is not there, and especially this new thing that is coming into your life, whether it is a new person, whether it is a new opportunity, whether it's a new change, whatever this new is that is coming into your life, keep your complete focus on that. It's going to give you growth. What will happen if you follow these advices? There is a card of death. Now this is not literal death, don't worry about that. This is the card of rebirth, and that rebirth could be from being a person who is negative or who's focusing on negative. You be a person who's into the authority, the person who knows her authority or his authority, the person who knows how to move ahead, the person who speaks in a way so firm that other people actually follow. That's where this death card is representing a transformation or rebirth and breaking the patterns. And if you do that, this is going to be a transformation, a beautiful transformation that's going to work for you wonderfully. If you want to know more than this, you can actually connect with me through the Facebook link provided in the description box or comment section for your personalized tarot reading. You just have to write a message, I want my personalized reading, and I can send you my number and we'll take it forward from there. Also, there are a lot of videos on my channel. There is a series on soul growth, there is a series on learning tarot reading free of cost. there are videos on how you can keep your home positive, life positive, and there's any number of videos that can help you in multiple ways. So please take out time, scroll through playlists, watch those videos. They are going to help you, and that's the purpose for these videos being there. And please share your feedback. Very important. Your comments are very important. I try to respond to each and every comment that I can, but please share. And if you have questions on generic things on which I can make videos, or you think I should make videos, post those questions to me. I will definitely take that into account, and I will see you with the next predictions. Till then, ensure that you're in your power, you focus on the new opportunities and new things, and you move ahead from the negativity. And I'll see you very, very soon with my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye. All the best.